Introduction to RippleNet. Welcome to RippleNet documentation. This site contains complete technical information on RippleNet concepts, integration decisions, middleware development, tools, and testing. RippleNet Overview. RippleNet reduces the friction of cross-border payments, improving your and your customers' experience through bi-directional messaging, optimized settlement, unique liquidity solutions. About RippleNet customers. RippleNet customers include a broad range of payment providers, banks, and multinational businesses from around the world. Payment providers: traditional remitters, digitally led remitters, FX brokers, payment service companies, banks, global tier 1 banks, multi-country regional banks, local banks, digital banks, multinational businesses, different types of corporations. In addition to customers, Ripple works with partners and infrastructure providers to provide important services with respect to RippleNet. The number and breadth of interconnected customers, partners, and infrastructure providers provides RippleNet with a network of institutions that can quickly and efficiently send and receive payments around the world. Payment participants. To understand RippleNet payments, it's important to know the participants involved. RippleNet payment participants. The originator is a customer of an institution who wants to send a payment and who funds the payment through that institution. The sender or sending institution initiates a payment in RippleNet through their RippleNet instance. It holds one or more RippleNet accounts from which it can send payments to RippleNet accounts held by other institutions. The intermediaries or intermediary institutions are the RippleNet instances at institutions that facilitate payments from the sender to the receiver. For ODL payments, intermediaries are one or more digital asset exchanges that hold XRP for both the sender and receiver. The receiver or receiving institution is a partner institution that is connected to the sender. It has one or more RippleNet accounts into which it can receive payments. The beneficiary is a customer of the receiver who receives the end payment from the receiver. Note: there are numerous variables in this chain of payment participants. For example, a payment might have no originator or beneficiary, but is simply a payment between RippleNet institutions. And in the case of internal treasury transfers, where the payment is a transfer between two accounts owned by a single institution on RippleNet, the sender and receiver are the same entity.